Looking for a speaker upgrade that delivers clear, powerful sound without a complicated setup? The Pioneer TS-A652C 6-1/2 component speaker system offers exactly that. With a max power of 350 watts and a reliable 80 watts RMS, these speakers bring your music to life with crisp highs and solid lows. Whether you're cruising in your daily driver or just want better sound on your commute, these speakers make a noticeable difference. What sets the TS-A652C apart is its smart design. The woofer cone uses carbon and mica reinforced injection molded polypropylene, IMPP, which means it's both rigid and weather resistant. That translates to tight, responsive bass and durability no matter the conditions. Plus, adjustable mounting brackets make installation a breeze across many vehicle models. The separate 3/4 polyimide hard dome tweeters come with mounts designed to place them high in your car, delivering clear, detailed highs that fill the cabin. This setup ensures balanced sound, so you hear every note, every time. Inside the box, you get everything needed for a seamless upgrade: 2 woofers, 2 tweeters with 10 speaker leads and quick connects, multi-application woofer brackets, lengths of speaker wire with quick slides, and angled tweeter mounts. This thoughtful package simplifies the install process and means you won't need extra parts or trips to the store. One satisfied Audi A4 owner noted these speakers sound fantastic even on a stock head unit, proving you don't need a high-end system to enjoy great sound. If you want a speaker system that balances power, clarity, and ease of installation, the Pioneer TS-A652C is worth a look. It's a solid choice for anyone ready to replace blown speakers or simply boost their car audio experience without fuss. Ready to hear your music the way it was meant to be heard? Try the TS-A652C when you're ready and enjoy a sound upgrade that fits your ride and your budget.